Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion 5i gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo Legion 5i is a gaming laptop that blends raw performance, intelligent design, and premium display technology into a machine that is just as capable for serious gaming as it is for creative work, streaming, and day-to-day tasks. Built with the needs of modern gamers and creators in mind, it manages to be thinner and lighter than previous generations while still packing the kind of high-end hardware that can easily handle today's most demanding applications. At the heart of the Legion 5i is the powerful Intel Core i7-14700HX processor, a cutting-edge chip featuring a newly optimized hybrid architecture with high-performance cores for demanding tasks and efficiency cores for background processes. This design ensures you get maximum performance when gaming, editing, or multitasking, without sacrificing battery life during lighter workloads. With this CPU, you can comfortably handle intensive AAA games, high-resolution video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming all at once, making it a true all-rounder. Graphics are powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, based on the latest architecture and equipped with AI-driven capabilities that push gaming visuals to new heights. This GPU brings incredible realism to your games with advanced ray tracing, ultra-smooth frame rates, and DLSS upscaling powered by AI, which not only boosts performance, but also enhances image quality. Whether you're exploring immersive open worlds, competing in fast-paced esports titles, or using GPU acceleration for creative apps like Adobe Premiere Pro or Blender, the RTX 5070 ensures your experience is fluid, sharp, and visually stunning. To make your gaming even more exciting right from the start, Lenovo includes a 3-month subscription to PC Game Pass with a Legion 5i, giving you access to hundreds of high-quality games, including major titles from EA Play. With new games added regularly, you'll always have something fresh to play without additional cost during the first 3 months. One of the standout features of the Legion 5i is its 15-inch 2.5K WQXGA PureSight OLED display, delivering true-to-life colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness that makes everything from game environments to creative projects look breathtaking. The 165Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth motion, while fast response times keep your gameplay sharp and ghost-free, even in competitive shooters. Thanks to AI-driven display adjustments, the visuals are always optimized for your content, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or editing photos. This combination of high-resolution, OLED technology, and high refresh rate makes it one of the most visually impressive panels you can get on a gaming laptop. Cooling is handled by Lenovo's Legion Coldfront Hypersystem, which uses turbocharged stealth fans to direct cool air over the components that need it most. Combined with copper heat pipes and aluminum heat sinks, this keeps temperatures under control even during long gaming marathons, while maintaining whisper-quiet operation so you can focus on your game or work without distraction. The intelligent cooling design also helps sustain high performance without thermal throttling, ensuring consistent frame rates and smooth workflows. Lenovo's AI Engine Plus is another smart inclusion, automatically optimizing performance based on what you're doing. In games, it enhances FPS for smoother gameplay, and in creative software, it reduces render times, letting you finish projects faster. All of this is easily managed through the Legion Space software, which provides quick access to system settings, performance modes, and your game library. Portability is another strength of the Legion 5i, making it a great choice for students, traveling professionals, or anyone who needs desktop-level power in a mobile form. Power-efficient hardware extends battery life for productivity on the go, and when you do need to recharge, Lenovo's rapid charging technology takes the battery from 0 to 70% in under 30 minutes via USB Type-C. This means less time tethered to a wall and more time gaming, creating, or working wherever you are. In summary, the Lenovo Legion 5i is a gaming laptop that delivers in every category. Powerful processing with the Intel Core i7-14700HX. Next-generation graphics with the RTX 5070, stunning visuals on the 2.5K PureSight OLED display, intelligent cooling and AI performance tuning, excellent connectivity, and impressive battery life with rapid charging. It's built for those who want to game without compromise, create without limits, and carry their performance anywhere. Whether you're diving into the latest games, editing high-resolution content, or simply enjoying the vibrant OLED display, the Legion 5i proves itself as one of the most capable and well-rounded gaming laptops on the market today.